This one is a little insurance job. So obviously, take that down and rebuild it. It was not by a Royal Mail van. Now looking at them bricks, they look to me, they look like an LBC Claydon red. I'm positive they're Claydons. So it's a case of, obviously, I'm not going to be reusing these bricks, they're destroyed. So we're just going to take it down, obviously, and rebuild it. I'm not even going to reuse them. It's not worth it. If it's built in lime, you can do that. It's like, look at that there. It's just, they're just going to fall to bits. So you take down and rebuild. We're going to go to the builders merchants, get a price. But I'm looking at that. Customer, I'd probably charge 300 quid. Labour and materials, couple of hours work. Insurance job, you're probably looking at 495. We're going to go to Travis and have a little look, see how much the materials are, and then we'll come up with a price. Little easy job. Right, that's what we're looking for, some LBCs. We've got the rustic antique, sand-faced, no Claydon reds. I know they got Claydon reds in their other branch. You're looking at £1.75 plus VAT. If you've got an account, you're looking at about £1.20 plus VAT, £1.30. So we need about 40 LBCs, 15 engineerings and the sand. So you're looking at about £100 in materials. £100 in materials plus my 250 plus getting rid of the rubbish, 50 quid plus profit. So I am putting my price in for that job, insurance at 495. I ain't messing about. Customer, I'll probably do it for 250 cash. Let's go and make sure they got the sand. This is Travis today. Juicing are annoying me. There is the last part. The old Charing sand with a load of clay in it, but we'll sieve that. So that's the end of my little video. Pricing a little pier for the insurance company. 495. I might even put it in at 595.